share ko yung naging client ko. He is a Canadian innovator. Bale, may engineering team siya na gumagawa ng design.
I'm the guy that innovates and says, put this here, put that there. I'm the inventor. And then I have hired engineers and they do all the calculations to certify it, what we need it for.
However, hindi nila strength ang 3D animation. That is why naghanap siya ng gagawa ng 3D animation using their existing 3D model. Sakto naman na expose at may experience tayo sa 3D animation. Isang challenge nga lang dito sa project is napakalaki at napakabigat ng file size nung existing 3D model nila or yung SolidWorks files ng machine. As I can see in your shared screen video sample, it consists of multiple parts. So, I assume that it has a pretty big size, I think. So, kaya ginawa ko, sa 30 seconds duration sa pagre-render, ay hinati ko sa 3. Bali, tagtatatlong 10 seconds. Kasi, pag hindi hinati sa 3 yung 30 seconds, is nagka-crash yung laptop ko. So, for this particular project, the 10 seconds duration took me about 4 hours to render. It's just an estimate doon. Maybe 4 hours to 8 hours.
Oh, okay. Okay. So that's reasonable.
Ito yung reality sa pagre-render ng malalaking 3D model file size na inaabot mula 800 MB to 1 GB. Fortunately, na-execute naman natin yung task by doing this strategy. And the client was satisfied sa output natin.
I think the rest of my team is going to like what they hear from you. I like what I hear from you. So how far are you from Spain and Portugal? Still a long way. We might be coming there.
Portugal is far away from here. I am currently from Philippines, so maybe if you have other opportunities and we can work on in the future, maybe if you guys allow it.
Have yourself a good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Don. This is Bayaw Drex. See you there.